As we've seen in a previous video, we can use an oscilloscope to measure AC. Okay, so as we know, the trace here is it's literally a graph of voltage on the y-axis against time on the x-axis. That is literally what oscilloscopes do. Okay, right. So show you with the sig gem, but I've also going to show you with one of these fellas. Right, what do we think this is? Okay, looks suspiciously like a motor, but it's got a crank handle on it. So it is actually a generator. As we know, we've got a spinning coil in here. Now the magnet, we've got a strong bar magnet here. That's going to magnetise the little horseshoe here, and this is going to spin round. Now, which type of generator is it? Is it an AC generator or a DC generator? Okay. Any ideas? Right. Now, for the eagle-eyed amongst you, might see that here, in here, we don't have a slip ring, but we have a split ring. Now, if this is a split ring, it means it's a DC generator. Okay, a slip ring would deliver AC, but a split ring is something that will flip the induced current or flip the induced EMF every half turn. Okay, so that's what DC generators actually do. Now, it doesn't give us what we think or expect DC to be. True DC is what we get from batteries. So that's 9 volts DC. What you get from the DC generator is slightly different. It's actually very similar to half-wave rectification, which is where you would get AC. If you want to turn AC into DC, you put it through the network of 4 diodes, and it kind of basically flips half of the AC cycle up to the positive again. So as we see here, instead of the voltage going up and down, it's taking, well, in this case at the moment, it's taking the positive and it's flipping it down to the negative, okay, because of the split ring there. Now, if I swap over the terminals, we should see the same thing, but in the positive side. Okay, so it's still DC because the current is flowing in one direction only, but the current is going up to a maximum, down to 0, like this. Okay, so instead of our nice sine curve, this thing's taking the negative side and making it positive. And all because of the split ring, which flips everything every half turn. So there you have it. The voltage, okay, the EMF provided by a DC generator.